Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost FPS on Hell Let Loose, how you can fix stuttering, freezing and lagging, and overall how you can increase your game performance. And the best part of it, with this guide you don't need to download anything. I will show you everything in your Windows and your in-game settings. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you in-game settings. You just need to go to options, then go to video, and then on full screen mode, make sure it's full screen. Now I'm recording video, so for me it's more convenient to go with Windows full screen, but for you should be, for the best performance, should be full screen. Then resolution scale 35%, VSync is off, brightness your preference, texture quality. If your GPU is on a lower end, try to run on medium. If you have a better GPU like RTX 30 or 40, run on high or epic. Shadow quality low, anti-aliasing method community TAA, anti-aliasing quality off, FX quality medium, view distance is on epic, flash quality medium, post-process quality high, SSAO is off with motion blur as well. So apply these settings, and now we can go to Windows settings as well. And on Windows settings, the first thing what I always suggest to do here is to go on settings, then go to Windows Update and update your drivers. Then what you need to do here is to go on your GPU app. I'm using NVIDIA. For you it may be different, but nevertheless your GPU should be always updated. So go to drivers and install drivers and make sure that your drivers is always up to date. Next thing, before you play the game, I always suggest to go to Task Manager, and on Task Manager you just need to close every CPU or GPU heavy app that you don't use. So let's say I play Hell Let Loose and I have EA, I can easily end all the tasks here. Then go to startup apps and also disable all the startup apps, because when your computer loads up, these apps loads up as well, and it requires a lot of your computer resources. So just disable them all, and when you need some certain app, just enter it manually, right? And then you can close this window. Also, if you play with your friends and you use Discord, what I suggest you do here is to go on Discord, advanced user settings here, go to advanced, and then make sure hardware acceleration is off. And after that we can proceed with other steps. So first of all, write run or press Windows and A key, then open this window should open up, and then here you need to write gpedit.msc. So this step will be if you have Windows 11 Pro. You need to go to a computer configuration, then administrative templates, then you need to go to Windows components, and then go to app privacy, and then you need to scroll down until you see let Windows apps run in the background. Double click on it, make sure it's enabled, and then default on apps, force deny, apply, and okay. So what it does, it will not let any apps to run in the background, and it will increase your computer performance, right? So do this, and then we can go with the other steps. First of all, go to settings, go to a gaming, make sure game bar is off, and then again game mode is on here, and then we can go with other steps. First of all, what you need to do here is to go to the client where your game is. In my case is a Xbox app. For you it can be Steam. It really doesn't matter. You just need to find your game here. For me, I just need to press on it, then three dots, manage, then files, and then browse. And then you need to find your game exe file. So for me it's under the content, and then I will show you with this exe file. For you it may be more if you're using Steam, and then you just need to right click on it, you show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure the disable full screen optimizations is selected, and then select change high DPI settings, override DPI scaling behavior, and select application, apply OK, and then you can copy the path. And then what you need to do here is to go to graphic settings. If you're using Xbox app, what you need to do here is to select add Microsoft Store app, and then select your game. And then once the game is selected, you can find in the list here, should be somewhere here, Hell Let Loose, then GPU preference, make sure it's high performance. If you use other client, not Xbox app, you just need to select add a desktop app, then paste the path that we just copied, and then just add exe file and add it here, and do the same like I did with a Microsoft Store app. Also make sure on advanced graphic settings, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled here. And after that, you can close this window. And this step will be for NVIDIA GPU users. You just need to right click on it, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. And we need to change the things. So the first one, make sure to go change resolution, make sure right monitor selected and highest refresh rate is selected here. Then make sure to go to configure surround 5x and make sure your dedicated GPU is selected under the processor. Then go to a manage 3D settings, and then here you can copy my settings here. Also important step is, as you can see here, texture filtering quality. If you're using a lower end GPU, what I suggest to do here is to go on high performance. If you're using medium range like RTX 2030, you need to select performance. And if you're using high-end CPU, then select quality, but never select high quality because it's bad. And then here also make sure that VSync is off. So just copy the settings, and depending on your GPU, just change to high performance or quality. And then we can close this window here. Then go to edit or power plan. Edit power plan. Then you need to go to power options, make sure it's selected ultimate performance. If ultimate performance is not available for you, select high performance here. Then what we need to do here, you need to right view advanced system settings, and on view advanced system settings, you need to go to performance, make sure select custom, and on custom, make sure these three options is selected. First one, save taskbar, show thumbnails and smooth edges. Then apply the changes. You can close this, go to performance again, advanced, virtual memory, and then select the disk where your game is installed. Deselect this option, select the disk. In my case, is this key, custom size, and then you need to calculate a few things. So first of all, open up a system information, and under the system information, you should see your, as you can see here, should be installed physical memory. For me, 16 gigabytes. So pull out calculator, and then you need to put your RAM value, for me 16 times 1024 times 1.5, and the number that you get here, 24,576. You need to put the initial size, and then you can delete this, then put your RAM value again times 1024 times 3, and the number that you get here, you need to put the maximum size, and then you can close this and apply the changes. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to system configuration, and on system configuration, make sure system configuration here, go to a services, hide all Microsoft services, and end all the tasks that you don't use while you play Hell Let Loose here. And also what you need to do here next is to open up your PC, and where you have your disk is here, and always make sure that your total space here is in the blue, because if your disk is in the red, also it can hurt your performance. So delete all the files that you don't use, and always have your disk on the blue. And to help that, you can easily always just run, and then you just need to write %temp%, and then you can just simply delete all the temporary files on your PC. Just select them all and delete it here. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. It won't hurt your computer or anything. If some files cannot be deleted, leave it there. And then you need to go to storage settings, and on storage settings, you need to go to temporary files and delete all the temporary files except downloads as well. And then what you need to do here, is to just run the game. And when you run the game, open up Task Manager, and then go to processes, and then select a your particular game. In my case, I will show you with a different app, but for you, it should be Hell Let Loose. Right click on it, and here it should be go to details. With Xbox, I cannot see that. So I will show you with Steam. You just need to right click on Hell Let Loose, go to details, then you will find Hell Let Loose exe file, then set priority and then set to high. And also it will increase your performance by doing this. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.